In the digital era, capturing consumer attention has become a formidable challenge, especially in the tourism industry. Traditional marketing models are no longer sufficient in engaging today's tech-savvy travelers. The integration of web-based augmented reality, AR, into tourism marketing strategies offers a dynamic solution that aligns with the modern consumer's expectations and behaviors. WebAR offers a seamless, experiential engagement, presented directly through the mobile phone's web browser, eliminating a significant barrier to entry without the need to downloading additional apps. Simply scan a QR code or click a link, and the experience springs to life. This hassle-free approach saves time but also enhances user engagement, as tourists are more likely to try out the feature if it's readily accessible. CoreXR is a versatile AR platform that transforms physical media and spaces into gateways to augmented reality experiences. It enables creating interactive AR content by combining 3D models, videos, animations, and mini-games, turning marketing materials into engaging, playable experiences. Key strength lies in its user-friendly interface, featuring an intuitive editor that doesn't require engineering expertise. Allow teams to easily create, manage, and publish WebAR content through an accessible backend system. CoreXR empowers businesses and creative teams to develop compelling AR experiences without specialized technical skills, making it a valuable tool for enhancing marketing efforts and creating interactive content across various applications. CoreXR provides flexible augmented reality solutions tailored to meet the diverse needs of different industries. In retail, it allows products to showcase their features interactively, potentially boosting interest and sales. In education, the platform transforms abstract concepts into tangible, interactive experiences, making learning more immersive and memorable. This adaptability demonstrates value in diverse fields by creating engaging, informative, and interactive AR experiences tailored to specific industry needs. CoreXR seamlessly combines interactive AR experiences with powerful data analytics capabilities, gives insights on AR content performance, and allows businesses to make data-driven decisions to optimize their AR strategies. Are you prepared to revolutionize your marketing strategy? Partner with AR Planet to build immersive XR experiences that weave your brand into the real world, captivate customers, and leave a lasting impression in today's competitive digital landscape.